Let's talk about KDD process. It is very important process in data mining. So sometimes in ugcnet they have asked what is the full form of KDD. It stands for knowledge discovery database. So basically it has 5 different steps and they can ask you the question based on this step. So first step is selection. Selection means you have a data warehouse where you have kept so many of data, and on the basis of end user requirement you are just selecting the data. Then this process is known as selection of data. Now after the selection of data you are going to pre-process that data. You should start the extracting meaningful information. So this is the part step 2. So this is what target data. You are targeting certain field, and on the basis of that field or that requirement you are pre-processing that data. After pre-processing that data you will transform that data. So that's why in data mining ETL is a very important concept, like extraction, transformation and loading. You are just pre-processing the data, you are doing the analyticals, you are generating the report, you are analyzing the raw facts, and after analyzing the raw facts you are doing the analysis part. You are transforming the data. Now after transforming the data in the form of pie chart, in the form of histogram, in the format of different charts, you can design certain patterns. You should learn how you are going to use that data. So now this is known as data mining, and finally on the basis of your knowledge you will evaluate whatever the information you have so that it might be useful to a particular application. So these are the 5 important steps involved in KDD, and which is a part of data mining. So thank you so much.